Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to link your phone number on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, what you need to do is go to the and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have your profile, we have your messages, the plus button where you can go and click on the plus button, and of course put your own stuff on the application. We have the Explore and the For You page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and link your phone number on Likee. So first of all, what you need to do is go and click on your profile here and click on the top right corner. So do not click on the eyes icon, but click on the three dots. Here you'll have 5 options: Share, Wallet, Creator Center, QR Code, and Settings. Click on the Settings option. After that, out of all of these options here, you need to go and click on the first option, which is Account. And here you have your linked account, and everything about your account will be there, where you can go, of course, and click on your privacy, and here you can also go and put your number in the privacy section. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.